Hi, this is a video to help you better understand working memory. It's an awareness video presented by the Dyslexia Resource. Working memory is part of our memory storage system. It's a temporary storage tank within our short-term memory. It's how we take in information that we see and hear and then manipulate and use it while completing mental tasks. Working memory is part of our brain. It's that holding tank. It only works for a brief amount of time. It can be highly impacted by focus and attention issues. We use it in school all the time. And there are things that we can do to lessen the load we place on our working memory. It's important to understand what working memory is because it affects how we interact and perform daily functions. Our children are using it constantly during the school day. When a child does struggle with working memory tasks, this can be the first sign that there's an underlying learning difference, like dyslexia. Some examples of working memory can be taking in information quickly, like reading signs while on the interstate, or remembering the next step in a recipe. When we're doing math, we have to use working memory to hold on to concepts while calculating numbers. And then when we spell, we might see a word in our mind's eye, but we use our working memory to then get it onto paper. The size and shape of our working memory can also impact our use of it. So some of us have a good size opening where we can take in a lot of information and hold a lot at the same time. Others have a good holding tank, but require a really slow intake of information. And then finally, some of us have like a pasta dish for working memory, where we have a big opening, but we have a really shallow place to hold it. So we can take it in quickly, but we can't take in a lot. Things that you can do to help with working memory is while a child's reading, have them visualize and picture what they read. Play games like memory. Take large amount of information and chunk it into manageable bite-sized pieces. And use mnemonics to help us remember learned information. In summary, working memory is a temporary storage tank. Learning new information requires working memory, and when a child struggles with these tasks, it will impact their school performance. And there are strategies and exercises that we can do to help accommodate and strengthen working memory. Thank you for watching. The mission of the Dyslexia Resource is to empower communities to serve dyslexic learners.